Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on fractions on the number line worksheets. So this video presents a few slides giving us some worksheets to practice some exercises dealing with fractions on the number line. Here we have 5 number lines, each from 0 to 1 and various fractions in between. Use the above number lines to answer the following questions. Write an equivalent fraction for 1 over 4. Write 3 equivalent fractions for a half. Write the following fractions in order from smallest to largest. 3/4, a quarter, and 2 over 4. Write the following fractions in order from largest to smallest. 1 over 6, 2 over 4, 3 over 8, and 2 over 3. Use the above number lines to answer the following questions. Write 2 equivalent fractions for 2 over 6. Write 2 equivalent fractions for 2 over 3. Use the above number lines to answer the following questions. What fraction is between 1 over 5 and 2 over 5? What fraction is between 3 over 5 and 2 over 5? Now, if you need help with this topic, when you get to the end of this particular video, there is a link which will take you to the lesson on this video, that is on these exercises, and you can have a look at that if you need some help. Use the number lines to the left to answer the following questions. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 number lines. First question. Which fraction is larger, 3/4 or 4/5? Which fraction is smaller, 1/3 or a quarter? Write the following fractions in ascending order: 2/3, a quarter, 4/5, and a half. And write the following fractions in descending order: 3/5, 1/3, 3/4, and a half. So this video has given us some worksheets where we can practice doing exercises on fractions on the number line. And just to make things a little bit more straightforward, we've just looked at the interval between 0 and 1, and we're able to choose and pick out equivalent fractions, and we can also order fractions and compare their sizes.